So hi Calaminians, we're here at City Times Square 2 at Brewer's Kitchen by Brewery Gastropub, and we're gonna check out their beer and good food. So come on, let's go. So Hazel, tell us what makes you different.
Our uniquely prepared gourmet food and 100 types of beer from around the world. We also have draft beers, draft wine, and it's the first in Cebu and it's from Italy. And please visit us at Brewer's Kitchen, the perfect place for good food and a night experience.